Hi guys, it's Sophie. Welcome back to our channel. I'm super excited about today's video. I'm using a brand new palette from Huda Beauty called the New Nude Palette, and I was super shocked when I used it. I absolutely love all of her eyeshadow palettes that she normally comes out with, but I just didn't know what to expect when trying this palette. But of course, when I opened it, I absolutely love every single shade in this palette. I would use every single shade in this palette. I think that it's so versatile. There's warm tones, cool tones, and a lot of cranberry tones, which are my favorite type of eyeshadows to use on my eyes because they complement my brown eyes really well. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light, and I'm just applying this all over my eyelid and then buffing it out with a damp beauty sponge and setting it with some translucent powder. And then for my brow bone highlight, I went in with my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder number 13. I just absolutely love that brow bone highlight, so I just went ahead and applied it on my brow bone. Next, I'm going to pick up this color right here called Tickle, and it's a light pink shade, and this is going to be our transition shade for the crease. So I'm just buffing that into my crease and winging it out a little bit because we are going to be doing more of a cat eye cut crease type of look today. So I'm just winging out the outer corner and getting that shape down. Next, I'm going into this shade right here with an angled brush, and it's slightly darker and a little bit more purple than the first shade, and this is the shade that I'm going to be using to cut my crease. So I'm just drawing a line, and I started in the middle of my eye and then went to the inner and outer corner, and I'm just going in left and right motions and diffusing that line, and we're going to be repeating those two steps just to add extra definition. I absolutely love cut crease that has a really defined line and a really nice gradient, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I do that today. So once again, picking up the same brush and the same eyeshadow, and this time I made an effort to make it look a little bit more neat, so try to get this line as crisp as possible. I even recommend using another angled brush that's a little bit more defined, and then I'm just going in with the same brush and just going in left and right motions and diffusing that line once again. And as you can see, it's nice and blended, but it has a little bit more depth than the first time that we did it. And then next, I'm just picking up another angled brush. I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light to help me carve my lid and also set my base. And I like doing this just because it really adds a nice clean cut crease, and it also adds a nice base for the next shadows that we're going to be laying down. So I'm picking up this color here called Daydream, and at first I tried picking it up with a brush and it just wasn't doing that color any justice, so I just went in with my finger. Next, I'm picking up this dark purple shade called Love Bite, and I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner, and I'm kind of applying it in a smoky wing type of way. I'm just laying it down on the outer corner and just really packing that color on, and we're going to be diffusing this and buffing it out with the same two colors that we applied in the crease. So I did apply the first transition shade and also the shade that we used to cut the crease as well, just to give me a really nice gradient effect on the outer corner. And I really love how all of these colors just mesh together, and overall have a really good first impression on the palette. I loved all the shades that I used. Definitely recommend using your fingers for the metallic foiled shades though. For lashes, I'm applying my Shop Sofie Bella lashes in the style Jamaica. Those lashes will be in the description box down below if you're interested. And then I just applied some black to my waterline. So for the lower lash line, I'm keeping it super simple. I'm just going in with the first shade that we used. And then last thing I'm doing is applying some Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to my lower lashes. And then for my inner tear duct, I decided to go in with this shade right here called Fantasy. And it actually came on a lot pinker than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be more of a light frosty pink, but I definitely love the way it turned out regardless. I think that it added a really nice twist to the look, and it's definitely different than anything that we've done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Also, if you guys want to be entered for our monthly giveaways, then just go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you turn on the bell button, so make sure your post notifications are turned on. And then just go ahead and comment done in the comment section down below. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!